तुम्हारी स्टेज पे।
Good morning everyone. My name is Daniel Kumar. Today is 15 August. We are celebrating Independence Day. I wish you all a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day is our national festival. On this day in 1947, India got freedom from British rule. We remember our freedom fighters on this day. We hold the national flag and we sing the national anthem. Independence Day is a day